Hi everyone. Today we will go through the microservice design pattern. It's very high level, and for those who don't know what is the microservice, so microservice is basically a very small application which have very uh, small logical or business unit, and you can access with the help of API. That is in a high level we can say the microservice. Now in the market, microservice and very good buzzword and good technology, and everybody is running around the microservice. So the microservice have so many problem, and it's new in the market. So like Java have the design pattern, microservice also have the design pattern, and that design pattern help to build good application. So there is a application design pattern which will focus on application. Application in the sense your how you will divide your application, how you will organize your databases, then your UI decomposition and your testing. So this is come to application, pure core application. And next, if we will see here the this design pattern, application infrastructure design pattern. So as the name says, application design pattern, application infrastructure pattern means is infrastructure for the application. So application infrastructure means here we can use Spring Boot, Spring Cloud, or if you are having the .NET framework, PHP framework, or any other framework, those kind of framework, it will get infrastructure. Then your messaging, communication, those kind of thing will come here. And infrastructure pattern we have. So this infrastructure pattern totally, as the word suggests, ki all the infrastructure related, what kind of your API gateway should be there, external thing where other API can communicate, then your how is the deployment. So those kind of thing come in the structure pattern. So first is the, if you see the, these are the very high level classification of the pattern, these three type, and this have the sub classification, and after that we can go through the microservices pattern. So if you see the application had a pattern have the decomposition. So decomposition is nothing but it is your how you will divide your application into multiple part. Uh, uh, so it could be on the team size, it could be related with your business, it could be uh, with your uh, business logic, or it could be your BA will suggest, a team can decide कि you have to how you have to do a small your application with the monolithic tools where decomposition come into the part. Then data pattern is there. So data structure, data architecture, sorry, data architecture means how you have the single database and or multiple database, and then your database deployment strategy come into this section. So maintain data consistency. So in the, this is a very good point here. Maintain data consistency is a very important thing in the microservices. And for maintaining data consistency, there is so many design pattern, and we will see ahead. Testing and UI also come into this picture, and in the next video we can see ki whatever what all design patterns comes under the testing and UI. So this is a very application infrastructure pattern, and these are very important sub classification of the pattern. These are not basically pattern. Pattern comes under the like class cutting corner. So class cutting is the sub classification of that pattern. So class cutting means what kind of technology you will choose for your microservices. It could be your um, Spring Boot, it will be Spring Cloud, or any other technology. Security like JWT, OAuth, token based security. Transactional messaging. So transaction is always very, very, I would say, key. difficult part of microservice while implementing, and you have to maintain the transaction, and you have to keep transaction and monolithic kind of application. So monolithic is quite simple to maintain your transaction, but here is because each service is different and you can understand, and once you will go ahead and down the line we can see here. Now communication style. So communication style is nothing like service to service communication and authentication. So those things can come into the communication style. And reliability. So reliability, if all we know that there is a good circuit breaker pattern is there, so the reliability we can check here, and reliability and observability come into picture where we have audit, logging, health, and other stuff come into this. And now we'll come to the infrastructure. Infrastructure pattern is very simple. So there is a like if we know the like discovery server we have where we can find our services and registry over there, and we can find it. So that's how the discovery services is there. Deployments, you will go how in the cloud you will deploy your service per VM, or single VM, or you will have different zone region, you can decide it. So this is the totally how is the deployment. And external level where API gateway and third party API come into the picture. This is the nothing but in the last, this is the overall picture of our classification of design pattern, the microservice. And in this channel and this particular playlist we will go one by one all the design pattern. And so keep uh, watching this, and thank you for your time.